Hey guys, Ben Hart here from Natural Music, and I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can end a solo or a song in the key of C if it's a fast 4/4 time song. So let's jump right into the lesson. Okay, so first off, we need context to it. So let's use, we can use Leaning on the Everlasting Arms, I'll Fly Away, Power in the Blood, it doesn't matter. Let's just act like we're playing it in the key of C. I know those songs weren't written in that key. Bear with me, those that are purists on that. We're just using this for an example. You can play it in whatever key you would like. So here we go. Let's do I'll Fly Away. So we're to the end of the song, whether you're playing rhythm and somebody's singing it, and you just need a neat way to, or if you're playing lead. Okay, so that may be a little dramatic for some of you, but for a lot of you, you're going to enjoy that. It gives them something different, and you can stand up and take your bow as long as wherever you're at is appropriate for that. And that's not a real hard thing to do. So this is number 1. We've got the, it's a classical ending, and I've heard gospel piano players do this, and I'm going to show you how to do it today. So first off, we're in the key of C. We're going to do this octave. Octave C. Yeah, I think right here, octave C, and then up here with the octave C above that, we're going to chime this up. So C to C. So, all right. Then we're going to go down to A flat and do the same thing. All right. So, and then to G and do the same thing. And then E flat down to C, and then we repeat. A flat. Just keep on going down the octave. End, I kind of roll up and see I go. I did that a little sloppy, but you get the idea of it. So at the very end I go. So I just roll up my hand right here, and then I end with an octave C and an E, so it says it's a C chord, octave C down there. Okay, so that is going to work on a lot of different things, just so it makes sense to you. Let's put on Power in the Blood. See, to be free from your burden of sin. There's wonderful power in the blood. Okay, so not your traditional way of ending it, but I've heard people end solos that way, and it's a pretty good crowd pleaser. I don't know if you're playing for a congregational song. You know, maybe if your leader is okay with you doing that. But that's kind of a dramatic way of ending it, but it's a fun way. Okay, so now let's keep rolling. Let's talk about another way. This is just a classic gospel hot lick that I hear just constantly, and it's like this. All right, so this is used throughout songs. We're going to use it as an ending lick today, and you can do this at whatever octave. So once again, now let's go ahead and use Leaning on the Everlasting Arms. Leaning on the everlasting arms. All right. Okay, so let me show you what I did there. All right, watch this. So all that is a C in the pinky, A, G, and E. And I'm rolling that all at one time. All right? And then you can either cross over and slide with your middle finger from E flat to D to C down to A. Or you can just use your pointer finger there. You go E flat, D, all right, to C to A. All right? Now, after you hit A, you're going to scrunch your hand over and start over again. On a C note, so that way they don't leave you hanging. Can't imagine somebody going. Just gotta have the C. So anyway, that's all that is. So you can do it up here in a higher octave. let's use that on Power in the Blood. So that way you can just see how this works on a fast song. There's power in the blood. And that's not my key in the key of C. Once again, not the key that they're written in. But I'm just giving you an example of some songs for when you want to play a song in C and you need some sort of impressive ending. Okay, so lastly, let's do a percussive ending. This one's fun. Alright, so here's what we're doing. We're going, I guess that's a percussive ending. That's what I call it. So it's kind of a double-handed thing. So we're in C here. As the other ones, we're going E flat and G, but we're correcting and sliding to E. We're going, alright. Alright, and this is the only time we'll do this. Sliding from E flat to E. Well, we do it at the very end. So at the beginning and the very end. And then we're going to go G. Alright? In the left hand. Alright? So these two together. And then C note. Alright? And then we're going to go B flat and E. Alright? Alright, then we're going to hit F in the left hand. Alright? Alright? And then we're going to go C and F sharp to F. Alright? And then we're going to go that C and F sharp. We're going to correct down to this F. Hit that all one time. I know this kind of sounds weird and creepy by itself, but it'll sound right in context, or it should. Then we're going to hit the C note, and then we're going to go E flat and A. To C. Alright, and then we're going to go G, and then we're going to go B flat and E. We start it over again. You know how we were doing this earlier? So we're doing that over and over. When we hit that G, we're starting over the B flat and E. F with the F sharp and C to F. C with the E flat to A to C. And then we start over again. G. And then B flat. And E to G. Alright, and after we get to that G right there, we're going to go E flat to E to finish it down to C. I think that's right. I just hit a full C chord. Okay, so let's use I'll Fly Away. Okay, so there's three different endings in the key of C on some 4/4 timing songs that you can use to spice up your playing a little bit. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you're interested in more lessons like this, we started a random lessons page where I just do random things like this, little licks, just different intros, just things that hit me. I mean, they're not full songs. And if you'd like to sign up and be a part of that membership, or if you're already a member, make sure you go and look at that new randoms lessons course. This lesson will be in there, so if you're watching, you're already a paid member, I appreciate it. And those of you that are not, that just want to maybe learn some more about it, you can click the link in the description and you can sign up for our free lessons page where you get a whole bunch of random lessons like this absolutely for free. All you got to do is just sign up and give it to your email. We send it straight to your inbox. Would love to have you a part of the free stuff. And if you want to be part of the paid stuff, that's great too. And if not, enjoy the free lessons. And we will see you at the next lesson here at Natural Music. Thank you so much for watching.